So when I was decorating the nursery, I wanted wallpaper up top of like a safari theme. That was the theme of the room. You see the giraffe here. And this wallpaper, it's not like the wallpaper in the 80s and 90s of where it's very difficult to put on, you never take it off. This was fairly easy. It is like a two-person job per se, but not because of difficulty. It's easier, extra set of hands to help you out. But you know, I'm not like the super handy person at all. Neither is my spouse, and we did this. It's pretty seamless. The hardest part is just, you know, lining up the animals where it's cut at so it matches up. So it's almost like a puzzle and trying to put this together. So just take your time when you're doing it. Definitely turned out very nice. People all the time come in and they think that a professional designer or hired a third party to do this nursery room. Did not. All was done in-house here, buying stuff from Amazon.